मित्र हो, पुन्हा एकदा इनवर्स ऑफ द 3/3 स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स घेऊन आपलं इझी मॅथ्स या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. ठीक आहे. तर आता आपलं परत एक 2 नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल आपण घेणार आहे. परत टू फाइंड द इनवर्स ऑफ द गिवन 3/3 स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स युजिंग द रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. तर आता रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन किंवा कोणतीही मेथड असो इनवर्सची सर्वात पहिली स्टेप आपल्याला काय लागते, डिटर्मिनंट. मग आधी एक एक्झाम्पल झाल्यानंतर आता परत या एक्झाम्पलचं आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं आहे, पहिले डिटर्मिनंट. मग डिटर्मिनंट फक्त कशासाठी घेतो आपण, only to find or check whether the given matrix is invertible or non invertible. मग सर्वात पहिले आता इन्व्हर्स घेत असताना सर्वात पहिला एलिमेंट घेतला फर्स्ट रो मधला 0. मग 0 घेतल्यानंतर 0च्या रो मध्ये आहे, ज्या कॉलम मध्ये आहे ते एलिमेंट आपण घ्यायचे नाही. मग ते एलिमेंट जर का सोडले आपण तर आपल्याला असं या प्रकारे दिसते. म्हणजे राहिलेले 4 एलिमेंट आपण लिहू आता. ते कोणते देईन, 2 3 1 आणि 1, 2 3 1 1 असे एलिमेंट. नंतरचा एलिमेंट -1, नंतरचा एलिमेंट -1. पहिल्याचा आणि तिसऱ्याचा साईन पॉझिटिव्ह, मधातल्याचा आन्सर साईन निगेटिव्ह. ठीक आहे, आन्सर नाही. मग परत हा 1 ज्या रो मध्ये आहे, ज्या कॉलम मध्ये आहे ते एलिमेंट न घेता आपण घ्यायचं 1 आणि हा इकडचा 3 आणि नंतर हा 3 आणि नंतर किती 1 आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग इथं जागा नाही म्हणून मी खाली या साईडनं लिहितो +2. मग हा 2 घेतला. परत 2 ज्या रो मध्ये आहे, ज्या कॉलम मध्ये आहे ते एलिमेंट न लिहिता आपण लिहायचं 1 2 3 आणि 1. ठीक आहे, सॉल्व करायचं. 0 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय एनिथिंग इज इक्वल्स टू 0. मी डायरेक्ट 0 लिहितो. -1 याला सॉल्व करू. 1 × 1 1 -3 × 3 9 +2 × 1 × 1 1 -3 × 2 6. म्हणजे असं या प्रकारचं ते येऊन जाईल. मग त्याच्यानंतर हा -1 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1 - 9 -8 -1 ॲज इट इज 1 - 10 - 8 +2 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1 - 6 -5 1 - 6 -5 आणि सॉल्व केल्यानंतर -1 - 8 +8 मायनस इंटू मायनस प्लस 1 इंटू 8 8 प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस and 2 into 5 10 8 minus 10 minus 2 does not equals to 0. That is determinant of A does not equals to 0. Therefore inverse is exist. Inverse is exist. To finding the value of determinant. Determinant does not equals to 0. That is our conclusion is inverse is exist. If the inverse is exist of the given matrices, then the given matrix A is invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. Now we are going to find the inverse of the given matrix by using the row transformation. Then we can write as inverse by using row transformation. Inverse by using row transformation. When to finding the inverse and the method is row transformation, then there is only one formulation. A into A inverse is equals to I. Always remember that when you are going to find out the inverse of the 3/3 square matrix, when our formulation is A into A inverse is equals to I, then concentrate here. A inverse multiplied by A inverse by post multiplied to the given matrix. Given matrix is A and post multiplication by A inverse always equals to identity matrix. Then write down the given values. Then the given matrix that 0 1 2, then 1 2 3 and 3 1 1. Then A inverse as it is. Then write the identity matrix. The order of the identity matrix is similar as the given matrix. Then 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. That is the step. Now our method is the row transformation. Then the concentrate on the first column. Concentrate on the first column. In a column there are the two positions, one of the diagonal positions and remaining are the non-diagonal position. Then we want the value of the diagonal position always equals to 1, but here the given value is 0 and we wanted value is equals to 1. Then check out in the first column that in the first column 1 is the value is present in any one of the row. Then the 1 is present in the row 2. then the our operation takes place that the R1 interchange R2. R1 interchange R2, that is the simple operation. R1 interchange R2, and the result is that whether the first row is transferred to the position of the second row and second row is transferred to the position of the first row, then the required step is 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 2. Then there is a no change in the third row, therefore third row as it is 3, 1, 1. The similar operation takes place in the identity matrix, therefore there is also swapping between the first two rows R1 and R2. Then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and third row as it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now in a first column the diagonal position value is 1 and the remaining two non-diagonal values, one of them is 0, but in the third row the non-diagonal value is 3 and we wanted to clear that 0. Then the our operation takes place that R3 changes R3 minus 3 into R1. R3 minus 3 into R1. Then the resultant operation that there is a no change between the first two rows, therefore first two rows as it is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 and concentrate here 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 be the value in the third row and corresponding value in the first row is 2. But corresponding value 2 is multiplied by 3 as a scalar to the multiplied to the whole row 1. Okay. Then 1 minus 2 into 3 means 1 minus 6 minus 5. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Again R3 value is 1 and corresponding value in the row 1 is 3. 3 is multiplied by 3. 1 minus 3 into 3, that is 1 minus 9 minus 8. Then A inverse as it is. Then similar operation takes place in the identity matrix. There is a no change in first two rows, therefore 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and R3 minus 3 into R1, that is the both operand value is 0, therefore required value is also 0. Then R3 value is 0, corresponding value is 1. 1 is multiplied by 3, that is 0 minus 3 into 1. 0 minus 3 into 1. 0 minus 3 minus 3 and R3 value is 1, corresponding R1 value is 0. Then 1 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Then now the our value is the whole column takes place similar as according to the identity matrix. Then concentrate to the next column. 2, 1 minus 5. Again there are the two positions, one of the diagonal and other are the non-diagonal. Then diagonal position value is 1, therefore there is a no change. Then we are going to make the non-diagonal position value to 0. Then first operation is R1 changes R1 minus 2 into R2. In a second column, the second operand row always equals to R2. Therefore, to making the 2 as a 0, then our operation takes place as R1 changes R1 minus 2 into R2. R1 minus 2 into R2. Similarly, then the next value non-diagonal position value is minus 5. Again minus 5 converted to 0. Minus 5 present in the row 3. Then our operation takes place as R3 changes R3 plus. R3 plus. The plus operation takes place because of the given value is negative. Because of the given value is negative. Therefore, R3 plus 5 times R2. 5 times R2, that is minus 5 plus 5 into 1. Minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. Required value is 0. Then the operation as R1 changes. There is a change between the first row. Therefore, R1 minus 2 into R2. R1 value is 1. Corresponding value is 0. 1 minus 2 into 0, that is the 1. 1 minus 2 into 0, that is the required value is 1. Then R1 value is 2. corresponding value is 1. Then 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 2, the result value is 0. Then R1 value is 3. R1 value is 3. 3 minus 2 into 2, 3 minus 4, the result value is minus 1. The result value is minus 1. There is a no change in the row second row. Therefore, the second row as it is, that is 0, 1, 2. And another change in the row 3. Then what is the change? R3 changes, R3 plus 5 into R2. What is the value of R3? 0. Corresponding R2 value is 0. Therefore, the result value is 0. Both operand value is 0. Therefore, resultant value is also 0. What is the value of R3? Minus 5. Corresponding value in the row 2 is 1. 1 is multiplied by 5. Then 5 into 1, 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Result value is 0. Then the R3 value is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 into 2 means minus 8 plus 10, that is the 2. Positive 2. A inverse as it is. And the identity matrix is that there is a changes in the row 1, R1 minus 2 into R2. Then the row 1 value is 0. 0 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Then R1 value is 1. Resultant R2 value is 0. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. 2 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Both operand value gets 0. Therefore, result value is also 0. And there is a no change between the row second row. Therefore, second row as it is. What is the second row? 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. And another operation takes place in the row 3. What is the operation? R3 changes, R3 plus 5 into R2. R3 plus 5 into R2. What is the value of R3? 0. 0 plus 5 into 1. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. And what is the value of R3? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 into 0. 5 into 0, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. After that, what is the value of R3? 1. 1 plus 5 into 0. Again 1 plus 0, 1. Then it is the required step. Look at second column is also similar to the identity column second. ठीक. After that, we concentrate towards the row 3. In the third row, again there are the two positions. One of the diagonal and remaining are the non-diagonal position. Diagonal positions value required value is 1 and the calculated value is 2. Then the first operation we can write as R3 changes R3 upon 2. R3 upon 2. The division operation takes place when in a third row, apart from the diagonal position elements, the remaining values are 0. The remaining values are 0. Then we can take the operation as a division. Therefore, what is the result? There is no change between the first row and second row. Therefore, second row and first row as it is 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 0 upon 2, 0, 0 upon 2, again 0, 2 upon 2, 1, 2 upon 2, 1, and A inverse as it is. Again the same operation takes place to the right side. Then again first two rows as it is minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. There is no tension about the division by 2 because of our determinant is also related to or multiple of the 2. Therefore, there is no tension of the division of 2, that is the fraction value. Then the diagonal value is 1. Now we can write the operation of both operations for converting this non-diagonal position to 0. Then the first operation R1 changes R1 plus R2. Plus operation because of the required value is minus or negative given value is. Therefore, and for this 2, R2 changes R2 minus 2 into R3. 2 into R3. Okay, R1 changes R1 plus R3, R2 changes R2 minus 2 into R3. Then the required operation is, then R1 plus R3, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. In R2, R2 minus 2 into R3, both operand value is 0, therefore the result value is also 0. Then 1 minus 2 into 0, again 1, 2 minus 2 into 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. A inverse as it is. Same operation takes place to the right side. In the first operation, R1 changes R1 plus R3, R1 plus R3, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, calculated here, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, then LCM is 2, means minus 4 plus 5, then the given value, calculated value is 1 by 2, calculated value is 1 by 2, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, nothing upon minus 2, consider as a 1, then LCM is 2 into 1, 2, cross multiply, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 1 into 5, 5, minus 4 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2 as it is, that is the answer is 1 by 2. Then 1 plus minus 3 by 2, 1 plus minus 3 by 2, again what is the LCM? 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3, again 2 minus 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and for at the last R1 value is 0, 0 plus R3 value is 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and another change in the row 2, another change in the row 2. We does them first. If the calculations are hectic or you confuse, then must be solved, and after that writing the result. Okay, R2 changes R2 minus 2 into R3. What is the value of R2? 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. What is the value of R3? 5 by 2, 5 by 2, and after that 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, then 0, what is the value of R2? 0, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 2 is the scalar multiply, into what is the value of R3? Minus 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, minus minus plus, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 3, 3, and again what is the value of R2? 0, 0, minus sign, 2, what is the value of R3? 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 0 minus 1, minus 1, and third row as it is, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. That is the answer. But after that the given matrix is converted into identity matrix, therefore it can be also written as I into A inverse. And in this matrix, in a first row and the third row, there is a division by 2, then we simply minus or plus 1 by 2 take as a common, but what happened exactly? Then here 1 by 2 as a common, take outside, therefore remaining value is 1. Here 1 by 2 positive, take outside as a common, remaining value is minus 1. 1 by 2 take as a common, then remaining value is 1. But here in a second row there is a no divided by 2, then divided by 2 taking as a common, then simply multiply by 2, that is what happened. If we considered the value minus 4 and multiplied by 2, 1 by 2, also divided by 1 by 2, this multiply 1 by 2 take as a common, then remaining value is minus 4 upon 1 by 2, then this 2 is reciprocalized and multiplied to the minus 4, then the value is minus 4 into 2, minus 8, similar as 3 into 2, 6, and minus 1 into 2, minus 2, and in a third row 1 by 2 take as a common, remaining value is 5, -3 and 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the inverse of the 3 by 3 matrix by using the row transformation. I hope you people understand looking the video. If any doubt, if there is any doubt, any confusion, any problem, then please comment me. Okay, it's a very natural and simple process, simple methods to solve the 3 by 3 inverse. Okay, thank you.